Pavani Ayurveda's Vata Spice Blend is formulated to help ease digestive disturbances associated with Vata Dosha. When there's a digestive disturbance associated with Vata Dosha, or if there's an excess in Vata Dosha in the physical body, you might experience the following digestive ailments: variable appetite, non-smelly gas, bloating, hard stools, or constipation. Contained within this jar is a digestive churna or a spice blend. Digestive churnas are traditionally taken 30 minutes before each meal to help aid in proper digestion. Vata balancing spices of ginger, cumin, licorice, and cinnamon combine in our Vata Spice Blend to help balance the light, cold, dry, and mobile energy associated with Vata Dosha. When taken 30 minutes before each meal, you're going to help aid in healthy or proper digestion. So you can use this pretty simply as a digestive churna. In a digestive churna, you would do half a teaspoon of the spice blend into half a cup of tepid water. You simply mix it together and then you'll drink that. So that's the traditional way you would use this Vata Spice Blend. And you can also use it as a seasoning. So you can season your foods and cook with this. And you can also sprinkle it onto your food once it's prepared. We hope you love the Vata Spice Blend. It's a very traditional Ayurvedic remedy to just start incorporating balancing digestive herbs into your daily routine.